What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say thank you to everyone who did subscribe. I do have 111 subscribers. It's not much, but it is for me. It's definitely a boost of motivation. I'm definitely going to be putting out a lot more videos. I'm making a lot better content for you guys. So all I want to do is say thank you for everybody who did subscribe. And if you didn't subscribe already, please subscribe and stay tuned. But in this video, I did install headers on my truck. I didn't record me installing headers only because it was my first time installing it and I really didn't know exactly how to do it. But obviously I got them on there. But I do have an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna be taking the truck to the exhaust shop right now to get the exhaust leak taken care of and to delete the cat. I do have a straight pipe exhaust and the truck is not really all that loud for me. I mean, it's louder at lower speeds and startup, but once you get cruising 40-50 miles an hour, it really you lose all the sound and it's really quiet. So that's one of the things that I really don't like, and that's what's motivated me to delete the cat. I will pop the hood and show you guys the headers. So hopefully you guys can see the headers. They're right there. As you can see, I've been running them for a little while. I did get home from work, so the truck is hot. I did put in an exhaust boot just in case it did get a little hot. I don't think that the exhaust boot is really needed, but I did put it on there just for the heck of it. That one for sure needed because that spark plug wire did get pretty close to the header. So I just made it down to the exhaust shop. This is where the truck is going to be sleeping tonight. I can't wait till tomorrow where I can pick it up again. I do not like to leave my truck places, but their hours are the same as mine, so there's no way that I can get off from work, travel all the way across town, go ahead and drop my truck off, and then go back to work on time. So this is where the truck is going to be sleeping tonight. I'm super impatient. I know the truck is going to sound great. I cannot wait to hear how it sounds. It's currently the next day. I got my homie Landon waiting right here in the range. Right now we're gonna go to the muffler shop and we're gonna go pick up the truck. I'm super excited to hear how it sounds. What's up, guys? So we just pulled up. Here's the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down right there by the exhaust tip so you guys can hear the first startup. I'm in love with the way it sounds right now. I'm in love with the way it sounds right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get some driving clips for you guys so you guys can really hear it good. And that's exactly what I've been wanting. So I'm gonna give the camera to my boy so he can record me driving down the road. we just got home. This truck is loud. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to that. I wasn't expecting it to be this loud, but it's loud. But I actually like it though. I think I'll get used to it pretty quick. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this video up here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.